The MPO chassis, also known as the MPO fiber patch panel, is specifically designed to support high-density optical networks. Its compact structure not only saves space, but also allows it to be conveniently installed in the same server cabinet alongside other optical equipment. Compatible with 19-inch network racks, it simplifies cable management. Each panel uses preloaded MPO cassettes, equipped with SC or LC adapters, and fan-out cables that connect an MPO connector to multiple individual fibers. With plug-and-play functionality, it ensures quick installations and easy scalability for future network expansion. Whether it's a data center, telecom system, or industrial setup, the MPO patch panel delivers reliability, flexibility, and high-speed performance. Upgrade your network with an MPO patch panel, efficient connectivity, redefined.